welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the use of this in and not in operator in SQL. Okay, so let's have the definition of this in and not in operator over here. See, these operators are basically used when there are multiple options in one condition. Understand this line over here. It says that if there is only one condition and in that condition we have multiple options. Okay, so for that purposes we use this in and not in operator. Let us understand this with the help of an example over here. For example, this is an employee table and we want to select those employees having job either manager or analyst. In this we can see that the condition is only one. We want to select the data on the basis of a job. Okay, that is the one condition. But in that condition we have multiple options. Okay, we have two options, either the job is manager or the job is analyst. So for these kind of purposes we use this in and not in operators. Okay, although we can also perform this activity, we can also perform this query with the help of this or operator, as we have discussed the use of this or. Okay, if you want to select either of these two conditions. Okay, let's see. We want to select the data of the table where the employee job is either manager and analyst. If we're going to write this query with the help of this or operator, so how will we write over here? It will be select staff from employee where job is equals to manager or job is equals to analyst. So it will select all the employees whose job is either manager or analyst. Okay, but let's suppose if we have five options. Okay, let's suppose if we have 10 options in only job, if there are more professions of the employees and we want to select those employees whose job is there 10 options. Okay, so in that purpose what will we have to, we will repeat this entire uh, job is equals to whatever the profession of that employee 10 times. Okay, so it will reduce completely redundancy and it will be of complete wastage of time. Okay, so to reduce that wastage of time we use this in operator. Okay, in this what will we have to do, we will write the job only one time, but in this case whenever we will declare the profession we will have to write the job with that profession. Okay, so for that purpose we use this in operator, although it can also be performed by using this or operator, but we always prefer this in, because in this what we will have to do, we will just mention the name of the column in and all the options that come under that column. For example, this is select staff from employee where job in manager and analyst. So it will select all the employees whose jobs are either manager or analyst. So this is where the use of this in operator. So what will be this query return? So this is what this query will return, all the employees whose job is either manager or analyst. So this is where the use of this in operator. Okay, when we have only one condition but we have multiple options in that condition. Okay, we want to select the data on the basis of these multiple options of that condition. Okay, so this is where the use of this in operator. Now what is the use of this not in operator? So it is completely reciprocal of this in. If we will write over here not in. Okay, not in manager analyst, select star from employee where job not in manager analyst. So it will select those employees whose job is not this. Okay, whose job is not manager and whose job is not analyst. For example, in this, how many employees are there whose job is not manager and analyst? These are the three employees, that is 4, 6 and 7. So it will return these three records. Okay, so this is where the use of this not in operator. So this is where the use of this in and not in operator. Okay, so these are used when we have only one condition and there are multiple options of that condition. So to reduce our time wastage and to reduce the redundancy and to write this short query, we use this in operator instead of this or operator.